If you've been struggling with a tiny, uneven heating oven that turns your favorite recipes into a guessing game, you're probably looking for an upgrade that actually fits into a standard 24-inch cabinet space. A lot of people assume that built-in means you have to spend thousands on a professional brand, but this 24-inch electric wall oven is designed to give you that clean, flush look without the massive price tag. The real benefit here is the convection system. Because it's a 2.5 cubic foot interior, it heats up much faster than a massive 30-inch oven, and the convection fan circulates that hot air evenly. This is perfect for when you're roasting veggies or baking multiple trays of cookies. You don't get those annoying hot spots where one side of the pan burns while the other is still raw. With 10 different cooking functions, it's versatile enough to handle anything from simple defrosting to serious broiling. The touch control panel keeps the front sleek and easy to wipe down, and it includes a safety lock, which, if you have kids running around the kitchen, is a feature you'll definitely appreciate. What you should consider before buying. First, this is a 240V hardwired unit. That means you'll need a dedicated electrical circuit installed by a professional. Second, at 2.5 cubic feet, it's compact. If you're planning on roasting a massive 20-pound turkey, you might find the space a bit snug compared to a full-size 30-inch range. It's built for efficiency and day-to-day cooking, not industrial-level catering. So, who is this really for? This is perfect for anyone living in a condo, an apartment, or a kitchen where space is at a premium but you still want a built-in look. It's for the person who wants a reliable, dedicated oven that does its job without cluttering up the kitchen with unnecessary buttons or complicated smart home features. Is it worth the money? If you value saving space and want a straightforward, powerful electric oven that looks modern, it's a great value. It brings professional functionality into a footprint that most other ovens can't touch. If this looks like the right fit for your kitchen, I've left the Amazon link in the description. And if this review helped you make your decision, please hit that like button, share it with someone currently planning their kitchen upgrade, and subscribe to the channel for more honest, no-fluff appliance reviews.